For access to EBSCO LearningExpress, go to your local library's website and then find your computer and internet resources. For Indiana, we will also go to Inspire, which is Indiana's state library system. In this area, you're going to go up to the Test and Career Prep link within the menu bar. Then you'll scroll down to LearningExpress Library and click on College Students. This will bring you to EBSCO LearningExpress, where you'll scroll down and click the College Students link again. And below that, you'll notice there's the option to prepare for CLEP exams. If you scroll down, you'll see the list of CLEP preparation exams that they have available. You'll notice this does not include all exams, but it does have several options to help you work through what you need to study for your exam. Next, you'll click on the exam you want to start practicing on, and you'll notice that you'll pull up two versions of the CLEP exam. Once you sign in, you can click on Start Test. This will bring up a screen that shows you information about what to expect on the practice exam. It goes over the test details, letting you know how many questions and how long you'll have to take the exam. You can also choose your test mode, whether it's an actual test simulation, just practice, or learner mode, which gives you some additional details as you're going through the exam. This is such a great resource because it really does give a true experience of what to expect on the exam. There's even an option to flag questions for review in the future, which is available on the actual CLEP exam. And there's a notepad up here, which is useful if you need to go back and study some additional details, or if you have questions, you can make note of it here. If you can't take the practice test all at one time, you can always save for later and come back and finish the test at another time. I would highly recommend doing both practice exams to get an idea of the variations of questions you might be asked on the CLEP exam. Once you're scoring about 90% or better on both of these exams, you can consider yourself ready and you can go ahead and register for that CLEP exam.